let's actually compare apples to oranges. Which one has more nutrients per serving and which one has more nutrients per calorie? A serving for either an apple or an orange is defined as 1 cup, which translates to a medium-sized fruit about the size of your fist. Calorie-wise, they're almost identical. 65 calories per serving of apple and 62 calories per serving for orange. And fiber, they're almost identical. 3 grams per serving of apple and 3.1 grams per serving for orange. What about vitamins and minerals? Apples win for some, oranges win for some. Oranges are the clear winner for vitamin C with 77% daily value per serving compared to only 6% daily value for apples. Apples win for biotin with 19% daily value per serving compared to 10% daily value for oranges. Oranges win for vitamin B9, folate with 10% daily value per serving compared to 1% daily value for apples. And apples win for antioxidant polyphenols with 537 milligrams per serving compared to a still impressive 441 milligrams per serving for oranges. So in terms of nutrients per serving, unless you are specifically looking to boost your vitamin C, there's not a big difference nutritionally between apples and oranges. However, all of these small ways that oranges have a little bit more nutrients than apples do, like 9% daily value of vitamin B1 compared to 2% daily value of vitamin B1, and 7% daily value of vitamin B5 compared to 2% daily value of vitamin B5. Those all add up in the math when you look at nutrients per calorie. So when you actually crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density, you end up with a Nutrivore score for apples of 213. And oranges are nearly double that, with a Nutrivore score of 418. So if we're comparing apples to oranges, I think oranges are the winner. But obviously, all fruit is a good choice. So choose the one you like, have access to, and can afford.